Between me and you, I feel a chemistry.
Y'all, so I finished washing my hair and now I'm about to braid my hair. What I'm not going to do is blow up my hair and see how it comes out, because I don't want to put too much heat to my hair. So I'm just going to braid my hair the way it is. It is detangled already. I'm going to put olive oil, daily curl cream, rice water, and electrolytes in my hair. I love this product. It smells so good and it's so moisturizing to my hair, as well as the deep conditioner that I use in the shower. That got my hair so soft after I rinsed it out and stuff like that. I left it in for like maybe like 30 minutes. But yeah, so I'm not going to blow out my hair. I'm just going to braid it the way it is. I'm gonna like pre-part it, braid it. I'm gonna use water and the cream that I showed you. Oh heck no, there's a mosquito and I'm about to get it. I just figured out the best solution. Like, let's say you want to do your hair sitting down in your bed or whatever, and you have a window. Listen, I figured out the best way to like do your like prep your hair, do braids in your bed instead of standing up in the bathroom. Look at my setup right here. This is my setup. So I have this thing. I guess you can get this in Walmart or something, but this thing that's like hanging from the window. I got that from the bathroom actually. I don't know if you guys can see like the lighting, but yeah, I got this. And then my mirror is like hanging from the window, as you guys can see. My mirror is hanging from the window, and I got the 360 mirror so I can see the back of my head as well. And I also got these hangers where, hold on, you guys can see. I got these hangers where you can like put hair on it. Yeah, so these hangers right here are like clutch. Okay, when you want to prep your hair and you don't have a braiding rack or something, get you this. This is clutch, because you can just prep your hair on this. And I got a few of them, so I'm just gonna make sure that I prep all the hair first before I start, because I just want to get into the rhythm and just keep going and not having to stop. Like when we have a braiding rack, you're only limited to a certain amount of hair you can put on the braiding rack. So get you these hangers. You can get you a bunch of them and just prep the hair on that. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it, but yeah, just prep the hair on it and you can do your hair really quick, because once you get in the groove, you're not gonna want to stop to prep hair and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you guys what hair I actually got too, so let's get it. Alright y'all, so the hair that I'm going to be using is from Ywigs. This is the hair that I'm going to be using. I'm only going to be using human hair. I'm not going to be using no synthetic hair. This hair I had a long time ago. I never used it, so I'm about to use it for this hairstyle. And then this hair I just bought. It's basically like ombre. this hair is ombre, so I'm going to be using all of this hair basically. I'm gonna mix these all together and see how it comes out. I hope it comes out cute. Like, I don't know how it's gonna come out, but we gonna see how it's gonna come out. What I'm gonna do first is part my hair in 3 sections and work my way from there. Guys, this is how much I've done so far, and it's already full. Like, I didn't even use one bundle yet, and my braids are like really tiny, but it's looking cute. It's looking cute. I have some blonde in there. I'm gonna show y'all the back. I'm sorry for the noise, they're doing stuff outside, but this is what the back looks like. Yeah, so far it's looking cute. You know, parts are nice and crisp, period. So I'm gonna finish this section today, and I'm gonna finish these 2 tomorrow. It is like almost 7 o'clock, and I've been doing this all day, so I'm probably gonna do the rest tomorrow. So it's not that bad though. It's not too bad. Like, look, that's how much I have left. And I've also been like wetting my hair with water and just using the daily curl cream from ORS, and it's really good. My hair is so moisturized. You do not, but yeah, you do not have to blow dry your hair to do braids. All you gotta do is use water and a curl cream and you're good. See, like, I have a lot of shedding. I literally have so much shedding. I put it all in this one bag. Like, this is all the shedding. All the shedding that I have. Hair shreds, I put it in that bag and just basically keep it pushing. One more left.
You don't hurry it through that one. You wait to take your man on to do that one.
I had to get my camera because I'm recording it. We got some hair left over. I used 4 packs. Looks better now?
Way better.
Curls, the curls or whatever. This is cute. It's good, babe.
You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry.